$19.99 lowered Mazda B3000. In this video, I'm going to show you the best sounding exhaust setup for under $100. If you have a Ford Ranger, it's going to sound the exact same just because it's the same engine. Now, I do have the 3-liter on this truck. If you have a 4-liter or the 2.3, it's going to sound different. You can still do the exhaust. It will sound probably pretty good on both of them, but it won't sound exactly like this. Now, this is for if you want to do a bed exit like I have right here, instead of back there or putting 2 duals out the side. I just prefer this look, but it will cost you more in materials to do it out the stock way or to do duals. Now going underneath the truck, I have cut the stock exhaust right there. I still have both stock cats, so I have not removed those. I have a 2¼ inch adapter from the stock exhaust to a 3-inch, which is connected to a Dynamax bullet muffler / resonator. And then I have it connected to a 90-degree elbow right there, which then goes to a, I think 4 or 4.5 inch exhaust tip from the 3 inches. All right, now that I got the setup out of the way, I'm gonna give it some revs. I can't really do certain RPMs because my RPM gauge is broken, so you're just gonna have to base it off of what you hear.